Hello everyone, it's Juan again. Today's February 27th. I'm continuing to make these videos to inform the others what's going around here in Korea. So currently I'm in Iksan. So Iksan Jeollabuk-do is not affected. There are no cases, but one case was in Kunsan. It's around 30 kilometers from here, and one patient was transferred to Wongang University Hospital. That's where I study. So it's around the hospital is around 1 kilometer from here. So yeah, the hospital is very safe. So we believe there will be no leaks. So breakout something like that. But in the other hand, the Korea is having more problem with this kind pandemic issue. Yes, officially it's a pandemic now because here in Korea and also in other countries, like you can see Iran, right? So Iran is like even the health minister have the problem. So he was addressing the public and the media while he's having coughs and sweat and stuff. So yeah, so Iran's case is kind of different. So here in Korea there are 1,700 confirmed cases, but only 13 people have died as far as now. But in Iran it's like 0.1%, right? But in Iran it's like more. It's like infected confirmed cases of around 50, 60, maybe 100. I don't know, I didn't check. But the death rate is more higher, right? So something weird is going on. It's not the same virus, or it's not spreading out in natural way. Maybe something's going on, but I don't know. I don't know what's going on over there. And Italy is like really getting crazy. It's like lockdowns, they're suspending the events. Yeah. And pretty soon other countries will also, the nearby countries which those people are traveling around, will be affected, I think. So here in Korea, so students are like starting to leave now. So they, especially the South Asian students like Bangladesh, India, and some Sri Lankan students are also taking care of those things. But most of the students, it's like 90% of the students says we should stay here because we have a big chance to contract the virus while we are traveling in the planes, right? So and also they say if we go to our motherland with the virus, so we have a good chance to infect our people, our family, and our country is already in a crisis, a political and economic crisis. So nobody likes to go like that. So on the other hand, Korea is hardly fighting for that one. So yeah, the government official who was in charge in the control of the what is it, the coronavirus committed suicide. And maybe, as far as I know, I don't know, maybe he was ashamed because he failed his task, or did he have the coronavirus? I don't know. Maybe. Anyway, he committed suicide. That was pretty sad. That's a tragic event. And here I'm in lockdown now. It's like I restrict the travel around these places. I use my car, go outside. I just limit the time I spend with public places and stuff like that. So yeah. So this is an official pandemic now. So if you have seen any zombie movies, yeah, that's really helping because you should learn something from them, even though they're stupid. But currently we have a similar situation, but people are not walking around and crazy, like they don't have the appetite to eat us. So yeah, you should be very careful in these days. So foresee what's happening. So some people say there is a human weakness. The evolution says the human will not react to something it's happening but not visible to the eye, like climate change. And people still don't believe in climate change because they don't see it. And also the coronavirus, so the countries like USA, so they don't see it and they don't believe it. So yeah, it's really bad, but people should understand this is a big problem. They have to do something. So, and also the Korean government is imposing some strict rules. It's like you have to be prepared. You have to follow the government regulations. Like you have to wear masks, and also protective stuff. If you failed to comply, you will be punished, or you'll be punished by fine or something like that, or you'll go to prison. So that's really a good initiative. And also, China introduced bounties, so that's also a good idea. But I don't know, the Korean government will go for that too. So anyway, things are really bad. so the virus is out of control. So best chance is to stay here and defend ourselves. It's like constrict the movement until the medicine comes out, the vaccine is coming out. So, and also I heard that the vaccine is on the process, but currently the developed vaccine had a negative reaction, something like that. Anyway, we have better chance if we stay safe and keep your health, and yeah, keep updated yourself. And yeah, that's it for today. So if something goes wrong and something good news, if I heard that thing, I will definitely upload with a video. Okay, stay safe. Thank you.